Now, when we say 0.1 mole per dm cube, it basically translates to that for every 1 dm cube, for every 1 dm cube, we have 0.1 mole present in it. All right? For every 1 dm cube, we have 0.1 mole present in it. Let us even take it far. Don't forget that 1 dm cube is equals to 1000 cm cube. Let me now say I have a container. I have this flask, and then the capacity is 1000 cm cube. Okay? If you now see 0.1 mole per dm cube or 1 dm cube, it basically means that we dissolve 0.1 mole inside of the whole thing here. We carry 0.1 mole of that particular substance. You now put it in a container and fill the volume up to 1000. Let's take, for example, the substance is sodium hydroxide. Let's take, for instance, sodium hydroxide, 0.1 mole per dm cube NaOH. Remember that the molar mass of sodium hydroxide is 40. Sodium hydroxide is 40 grams. And then we have 0.1 mole. We have 0.1 mole here. 1 mole of a substance of NaOH is equal to 40 grams. Okay? We now have 0.15. 0.15. What is the mass? You then cross multiply. That will be 0.15 times 40 is equals to x. Therefore, x is equals to 0.15 times 40. Whatever you get here, it is the mass of sodium hydroxide that you measure and put inside this container, fill up the volume to 1000. So anytime you see 0.1 mole, 0.15 mole per dm cube like this, it's basically translated to that for every 1000 cm cube of solution, we have 0.15 mole present in it. Okay, so it doesn't necessarily need to be sodium hydroxide. It can be sodium chloride, it can be sodium carbonate, it can be calcium carbonate, whatever substance. 0.1 mole is still the same thing. That for every 1000 cm cube of solution, we dissolve 0.15 mole inside. Another instance is, now put in the comments, if I say 0.17 mole per dm cube, what does it mean? How can you describe that as a chemist?